Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be talking about column addition. So let's try some simple addition sums. So 21 plus 12. Probably worked that one out quite easily, but let's just use the technique. So what we would do would be 21 plus there, put a 12 here, draw a line underneath, and then we do 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer would be 33. Okay, let's do another one. We're going to do 45 plus 23. So what would that equal? So we write the 45, write the 23 underneath it, put a plus next to it, draw a line underneath. Right, so 5 plus 3 is 8, 4 plus 2 is 6, so we end up with the answer of 68. Right, let's try another one. So 25 plus 25. So write 25 underneath, plus 25. Right, so what happens here? I'm just going to draw another line underneath, you'll see why in a minute. So 5 plus 5, that's 10. So what we do, we put the 0 here in the units column. So columns are quite important, keep your numbers in columns. And we put the 1 under here. We're going to use, don't forget about that 1. So 2 plus 2 is 4, but we add the 1 to make 5. So that 25 plus 25 equals 50. Okay, the next thing we're going to do, 147 plus 385. Now what would that equal? So we write our 147, our plus, make sure we get our columns nicely lined up. So 7 plus 5 is 12, 4 plus 8 is 12 plus 1 is 13, 3 plus 1, 4 plus the 1 is 5. So 147 plus 385 would be 532. Right, that's brilliant. So we've done a few sums so far. We're going to make some space for some more. So as I said, really important, make sure you line up your columns. Another thing that's quite important is you should always start your sum from the right hand side. So I'll give you an example. So if I had this sum, 453 plus 8, 6, 7, if I started from the left, I got 4 plus 8 is 12, okay, but then 5 plus 6 is 11, so that means I've got an extra one, so I've got to cross that out and put 13. Then I go 3 plus 7 is 10, so I've got an extra one and I've got to put 2 there, so it's a mess. So don't start from the left, always start from the right. Even if you can do it in your head, then you don't really need to write anything out, do you? So always start from the right hand side, otherwise you will get in a bit of a mess. The other thing to say is always line up your columns. Say I do 3, 5, 7 and I just kind of write down 4, 4, 2 and I try and add it up. I might end up adding 2 on its own, and then I might end up doing 4 plus 7 and I might doing 5 plus 4 and getting a big mess. So I need to line up my columns and then that will make it a lot easier. Right, let's do some more, rub those out actually, and let's do some nice sums with nicely lined up columns. Okay, so first of all we're going to do 4, 5, 9, and we're going to add 3, 7, 3. So I've got my columns lined up. So 9 plus 3 is 12, put the 1 underneath. 5 plus 7 is also 12, but add the 1, it's going to make it 13. So put the 1 from the 13 there. Right, 4 plus 3 is 7, add the 1, will give us 8. Right, next we're going to do 618, and we're going to add 743. So 8 plus 3 is 11, 1 plus 4 is 5, add the 1 is 6, 6 plus 7 is 13. Right, going to do one more, and then I'm going to do a test for you. So the next one is 457 plus 598. So 7 plus 8 is 15. 5 there and a 1 underneath. 5 plus 9, 14, add the 1 makes 15. 4 plus 5, 9, add the 1 makes 10. So that will give you 1055. Right, as usual, we're going to have 4 test questions. So get your pen or pencil and paper ready for the test questions. Right, so test on column addition. Right, so start working on that one. 125 plus 323. So as usual, I'm going to start writing up the next one. The next one is 235 plus 145. So that's question 2. Okay, so just keep on working. If you can't keep up with the speed I'm going, don't worry, because you can always pause the video before I've given all the answers. So 683 plus 349. Right, so that's 349. Just going to redo the 9. And then we're going to do 758 plus 646. Right, I'll just give you a minute or so to work on those, and then I'll start going through the answers. Okay, so let's go through the first one. So 5 plus 3 is 8, 2 plus 2 is 4, 1 plus 3 is 4. So the first answer, 448. Question 2, 5 plus 5 is 0, 1 down there. 3 plus 4 is 7, add the 1 is 8, and then 2 plus 1 is 3, so our answer is 380. Right, third question, 3 plus 9 will give us 12, 8 plus 4, 12, but add 1 to give 13. 6 plus 3 is 9, but add 1 to give 10. So third answer is 1032. Right, last question. 8 plus 6, 14. 5 plus 4 is 9, but add the 1 to make 10. 7 plus 6 is 13, but add the 1 to make 14. So the last answer is 1404. Thank you for watching that video, and if you enjoyed that, please check out our website for more great online resources. So the address is www.routes2success11plus.uk, or find us on Twitter @Routes2Success. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos. Thank you.